Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to cover genesis and development of the Kashmir issue. Genesis means origin. Then we will cover relations with Egypt, Malaysia and United Arab Emirates. And in the end, we will be doing Pakistan's contribution towards peacekeeping. My dear fellows, all the long questions of this chapter are there in your notes, so there is no problem in it. As far as the short questions are concerned, what I have my view is that I have already given you the short questions, but if I have not given you the short questions today in the period, do let me know, so in the next period we will be doing the short questions. All the long questions are there in the notes. Let's start with Kashmir issue. My dear students, in the question number 3 long subjective portion, part number 7, it is explain the genesis and development of the Kashmir problem. In the notes it is given in a great detail, it is very awesomely given. I'll cover this topic from the notes. ये बेटा नोट्स के अंदर आपको दिया हुआ है बना के, तो उसी में से कवर करेंगे. ये कश्मीर डिस्प्यूटेड आपका टॉपिक दिया. अगर आपके नोट्स में ये नहीं है तो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करें. अच्छा जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस द बैकग्राउंड. हिस्टोरिकली द स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ वेरी ओल्ड एंड it had the status of a province during the Islamic rule, but once the Britishers took over this area, they sold it to Maharaja Gulab Singh Dogra for 75 lakh rupees on March 16th, 1846. Along with that, Dogra brutalities started in Kashmir, which later took the shape of the Indian brutalities. यानी कि पहले डोगरा राजा करता रहा, फिर उसके बाद इंडियंस ने ये शुरू कर दी. लोकेशन इसकी क्या है? इट इज़ इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ पाकिस्तान and the subcontinent. It is the mountainous area of Gilgit-Baltistan, the Ladakh. These are the parts of that states, and the boundaries touch the Tibet in the north as well. In its north is the China's province Xinjiang. The northwest are Afghanistan and Tajikistan. Its southern boundary touches Pakistan, which is almost 1500 kilometers long. देखिए, इंडिया के साथ हमारी 1600 किलोमीटर लंबी बाउंड्री है, तो कश्मीर के साथ हमारी 1500 किलोमीटर है. एरिया एंड द पॉपुलेशन एंड द हाइट फ्रॉम द सी. द एरिया ऑफ द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ 84,471 kilometers of area. According to the census of 1941, almost 80% of the population is Muslim. 70% of Jammu's population was Muslim, while 96% of the Kashmir population was Muslim. Its total population at that time was 4 million. Its height from the sea level is almost 6,000 feet. हम सब कहते हैं कि जी हमारी शहरग है कश्मीर, तो आज देखते हैं ये शहरग की वजह क्या है. Kashmir is the jugular vein or शहरग of Pakistan. Almost 750 years ago, Muslims ruled over the subcontinent and the Kashmir was one of the provinces. During that period, under the Muslim rule, Islamic culture and civilization developed in this state, and population of the Muslims increased. Pakistan is an Islamic country and has 1500 kilometer long boundary with Kashmir. Most of the population is Muslim, which wants to be part of Pakistan. So according to the partition plan, Kashmir was very favorable area to join with Pakistan, and once Quaid-e-Azam said, it will drop in my lap just like an apple, कि ये बिल्कुल डिसाइडेड चीज़ थी कि ये कश्मीर पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा बनेगा, क्योंकि इसकी मैक्सिमम एरिया पाकिस्तानी एरिया के साथ टच होता था. फिर ये मुसलमान पॉपुलेशन थी, फिर उसके बाद इसका इंडिया से कोई रोड लिंक भी नहीं बनता था. लेकिन बहुत ही डॉज करके और रेड क्लिफ अवार्ड में नेहरू की इन्फ्लुएंस और लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन की इन्फ्लुएंस को लेते हुए, उसको फॉलो करते हुए, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन के ऑर्डर्स को फॉलो करते हुए एक रास्ता जो था पठानकोट से वो दे दिया गया इंडिया को. River Sindh, Jhelum and Chenab that are part of Pakistan all flow through Pakistan, that are part of Pakistan all start from Kashmir. So geographically Kashmir is part of Pakistan. Before the creation of Pakistan, Kashmir had trade relations with Pakistani areas. Kashmiri wool and other items were sold in Sindh and Punjab. Till 1947 there were total 4 ways to go to Kashmir. यह वही वाली बात आ गई जो मैं पहले करी. One was from Srinagar, Jammu to Sialkot. Second was from Srinagar to Abbottabad. Third was from Srinagar to Rawalpindi. And the fourth was from Kashmir to India via the bridge of Gurdaspur. तो गुरदासपुर का इलाका डॉज करके उनको दिया गया ताकि किसी भी तरीके से उनका लिंक जो है वो कश्मीर से जुड़ा रहे. Kashmir has 1500 kilometer boundary with Pakistan, so for defense and security it is necessary that Kashmir should be a part of Pakistan. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali also took K from Kashmir to complete the word Pakistan. चौधरी रहमत अली ने 1932 में पाकिस्तान का नाम नॉमिनेट किया था और उसमें जो के का वर्ड था अल्फ़ाबेट था वो कश्मीर से लिया गया. फ्रॉम द अबव डिस्कशन इट इज़ क्लियर दैट कश्मीर इज़ रेगुलर वेन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द कश्मीर डिस्प्यूट, ये आपकी किताब में यहाँ से आता है. मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ कश्मीर, जब एक्सेशन हो गई कि जी कौन कौन सी स्टेट ने पाकिस्तान से ज्वाइन होना है, कौन सी स्टेट ने इंडिया से ज्वाइन होना चाहिए, उस टाइम पर डोगरा राजा ने इसको सेलेक्ट किया कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट रहना चाहता है. तो बाद में उसने प्रेशर में आके इंडिया के इस पैक्ट को साइन कर लिया और इंडिया का पोर्शन बनाने को तैयार हो गया. उसने कहा कि जी पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा कभी नहीं बनूंगा, इंडिया का बना ले मुझे. At the time of creation of Pakistan, Kashmiri Muslims on July 19, 1947 from the platform of the Muslim Conference approved a resolution while Dogra Raja started preparing to join Kashmir with India. He took the weapons back from the Muslim soldiers and Muslim policemen. During the last week of the July, former Sudhan soldiers started fighting against the Raja, and which took the shape of the organized fights in August. Formation of the government of Azad Kashmir. Kashmiri freedom fighters took many areas of Punch sector during their fight for freedom. On these areas, Azad Kashmir government was formed on October 24, 1947. Its capital was Plandri and Sardar Ibrahim was its first president. Besides, in Tradkhel, Azad Kashmir radio was also started. Steps of Pakistan against the joining of Kashmir with India. First Indian Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was Kashmiri. He freed one anti-Pakistan Kashmiri leader, Sheikh Abdullah, and made him Kashmiri Prime Minister. Maharaja Dogra signed the documents of joining of Kashmir with India, and on October 27, 1947, Indian Army entered Kashmir via Gurdaspur and Pathankot passage. At this movement, Quaid-e-Azam ordered the Pakistani army to enter Kashmir against the Indian step. English commander of Pakistan Army General Gracie denied to obey the orders. Now students, look clearly at it. He denied. He did not follow the order of Quaid-e-Azam. The Quaid-e-Azam avoided it and to get the services of English officers. False provinces of India and military activity of Pakistan. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru announced many times that Kashmir's future would be decided through a plebiscite. Later on, all provinces promises proved false. On the one side, Indian Prime Minister announced right of self-determination of the Kashmiris, and on the other side, India presented Kashmir problem in the UNO. And on the third side, India made the boundaries of Pakistan insecure by bombing at Pakistan. On that, Pakistani forces entered Kashmir in April 1948. बेटा यहाँ पे करेक्शन कर लीजिएगा, 1948 है. Security Council of UNO approved 2 resolutions on August 12, 1948 and January 5, 1949, which were accepted both by India and Pakistan. That India will have a special status, and the future of Kashmir will have a special status, and the people of Kashmir will have a chance to show their will by plebiscite. Summary of the resolution of the UN. What was the summary of the what was the activity that was passed in the UN? Ceasefire is observed at the state of the Jammu and Kashmir at once. Under the supervision of UN, a ceasefire line is drawn between Azad Kashmir and occupied Kashmir, and that is called line of control, LOC. Pakistan and India call their forces back from Jammu and Kashmir. A plebiscite will be conducted in the supervision of UN. Indian atrocities and avoidance of the UN. अब UN भी अवॉइड कर रहा है और इंडिया भी अपना जुल्म सितम जारी रखे हुए. द रेजोल्यूशन हैव स्टिल नॉट बीन एक्टेड अपॉन that were approved by the UN. This increased the Indian fruitabilities. At present, more than 6 lakh Indian troops are busy in Kashmir. From 1949 to 53, the UN appointed many commissioners for plebiscite. Pakistan supported these commissioners, but India showed its stubbornness. In 1957, another attempt of solving Kashmir problem failed from this activity from India. In 1962, Rawalpindi, Pakistani and Indian foreign ministers met, but no solution could be found. Both countries have met on prime minister level to solve the issues, but no decision could be made. Now let's look at the book. If the Agra Summit is written over here. It has not written anything. तो बेटा अब आपका ये जो नोट है ना, इसके अंदर मैं ऐड करवाती हूँ. ठहरे मैं बॉल पेन अपना अरेंज कर लूँ. यहाँ पर हम ऐड करेंगे आगरा एक मिनट.